positive action kid. That's what I am. That's how I live. I am a positive action kid. That's what I am. That's how I live. I smile, I help, I learn, I love, I hug, and I care. I am positively happy, and that is why I share. I have those positive feelings, like kindness, glad and strong. That's why I feel like I belong. I have those positive thoughts that help me think and dream and grow. I am positive, and that is how I know I am a positive action kid. That's what I am. That's how I live. I am a positive action kid. That's what I am. That's how I live. I am a positive action kid. That's what I am. That's how I live. I am a positive action kid. That's what I am. That's how I live.
Hola! It's time for Positive Action! Good morning, Morgan County children! Today, we're going to show you how to do the Positive Action Theme Song. Yeah, step by step. Step by step. And it's super easy. There's only 6 awesome, fun dance moves. Are you ready to learn them? Yes! Yes! Here we go. Step 1.
Charge. You have to move your shoulders up and down for charge positive energy. Like this.
Then you go to the other side. That's the first part.
Yes.
I am a positive. Now, step 2. Action kid. Good job. Now, step 3. They know this one, Sheima.
Yeah.
You ready?
1, 2.
Dab. Dab to the right and dab to the left. Good job. We're almost done.
Yes.
And the next step is
Take positive words.
reach
in
for
your-
a word
and the other word in your heart.
and put them in your heart. And then what do we
And-
do?
Throw the negative words and the negative feelings outside.
Out.
1, 2.
Good. Let's try that again.
Yes.
Ready? Grab a positive word, and put them right in your heart. And then take the negative word and throw away the ickies.
Yes.
Yes.
And
And there's just one left. Oh, Miss Sheima, this is my favorite one. You
Me
ready?
too.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Thumbs up.
Thumbs
and
up.
moving. And moving.
And moving.
And moving.
Everybody try that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Now, let's put them all together.
Yes.
Are you ready?
1.
Here we go. Positive actions.
Here we go. Everybody eat together.
Positive charge. Positive, positive. And then pose. Super kids. And dab to
dab,
the right. Dab to the left. Positive. And dab. And dab. Now get ready to reach for a positive word. Get it. Up. And then get rid of them, the negative words. And thumbs up for positive actions. I share, I have those positive feelings. Kindness, glad and strong, that's why I feel like I belong. One more time, get some more words. Up, down, then throw out the negative. And then positive up, thumbs up, or something like that. Charge. And charge. Dab this way. Yeah. And dab this way. One more time, everybody. Charge.
Yes.
Ready? Bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Dab this way. Dab,
It's so much
dab,
fun.
and sisters, you can be positive. Positive choices give us positive feelings. Good job! Stay positive!
Bye! Bye!